Health Watch, how a little food play can actually change your kids' eating habits.
It's called FoodPlay.
And its Eat Healthy message could soon be coming to a school near you.
Courtesy of the Yuma Health Department.
FoodPlay tours schools locally and nationally.
Here is Jack and Angelica presenting the scene Healthy Eating.
Liz Weiss for CNN in Milford, Massachusetts.
Students at Deerfield Elementary had fun watching the different skits and learning how to make better food choices.
These fantastic feats are part of what FoodPlay is all about.
We'd like to thank you and present to you our Community Health Hero Certificate for all that you've been doing for the community.
And now hopefully with the activity books that the teachers got and the passports and the letters that they get to take home to the parents, it'll all come together, and it takes a healthy village to raise a healthy kid.
And we appreciate your sponsorship too, because everybody here shops at Hannaford. It's like the neighborhood store that we all go to, and we appreciate what you do for the community because we all support you.
It's important from a community standpoint to be able to provide educational knowledge and aspects and be able to partner with somebody like FoodPlay so that children can learn these things.
As a family physician, this is a great program because family medicine is all about prevention, and this speaks to kids very simply, effectively, and it's awesome, and we're so glad we came today.
That's all we've heard so far is they love the program, and they're actually, when they were coming through the line, they were automatically looking at their milk and seeing how much sugar was in there and everything.
What do you think you're going to have for a snack when you get home?
Hey, did you like the show? Loved it!
You did? What'd you like the best?
All of it!
Are you going to try to eat healthy now?
Yes!